We are EduSoft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorial for beginners in 3ds Max software.
Hello friends, in this video we are demonstrating how to import the AutoCAD file into 3ds Max. You can import the AutoCAD file into 3ds Max and can use it to create the 3D model. Before importing the CAD file into 3ds Max, first we have to set unit setup. Go to customize menu, unit setup, metric, required units, then system unit setup, change the unit. Okay. Go to application menu, choose import option and select the DWG drawing file. Open. Under geometry tab, click on the rescale option and choose the required incoming file unit. Under derived AutoCAD primitives, choose the layer option from the drop-down list. You must use different layers in AutoCAD file, easily identifying and separately modifying the drawing in 3ds Max. Only polylines in AutoCAD drawings are extruded as solid objects. Under Layer tab, click on the Select from List option and choose the layers you want to import. Okay. AutoCAD file importing into 3D. Then by using modifiers, you can convert this 2D shape into 3D model. First select the frame, layer frame. Apply modifier, extrude, amount, then select the panel, layer panel, apply the modifier, same as the frame, extrude, give the amount 3. Just move it. Then select the glass layer glass. Also apply the extrude modifier, amount 0.3. Move it to the panel. Thanks for watching us.